But for as long as you don't brag about your sin, there's still goodness in you. And if you've bragged, you need to make a quick diversion before the goodness comes back to you. So it's not like loss of hope. If someone's been openly sinning and displaying it and encouraging others and putting it on TikTok and on Instagram and whatever else it is, one of my colleagues calls it Insta-haram. And I said, what's that? He said, because most of it is haram. But nonetheless, if you have sought the forgiveness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala after all of that, it means you diverted, you turned, there is hope for you. But it becomes more difficult because the element of regret begins to diminish. You committed the sin second time, the regret is a bit less. Third time, a little bit less. Fourth time, perhaps you might not regret it anymore. Then it becomes part of your deed. And you start thinking habitually that it's okay. You know what? Allah is forgiving. We heard the Shaykh say, Allah is Ghafoorur Rahim, He'll forgive. Let's just get all of this done and inshallah, we'll seek the forgiveness of Allah. When you commit a sin, my brothers and sisters, don't do it belittling the status of Allah. But do it, if you have to do it, only because of human weakness. After having held yourself back as best as you could, you fell. That falling should only have been out of human weakness. When you come up to Allah and you say, oh Allah, human weakness, I fell. Help me get up again. I regret it. I want to be on the same page. Oh Allah, grant me goodness and guidance and bless me and strengthen me. The dua of the Prophet ﷺ, which we all need. Allahumma kfini bihalalika an haramik waghnini bifadlika amman siwak. Oh Allah, grant me sufficiency and contentment through halal so that I don't even go to haram. Make halal sufficient for me so that I don't have to tread the waters of haram. And oh Allah, grant me sustenance from yourself so that I don't have to depend on anyone else. What a powerful dua. Allah will give you and bless you. That's a sunnah dua. Allahumma kfini bihalalika an haramik waghnini bifadlika amman siwak. What a beautiful dua, supplication.